by default on your Polar Critics Pro, at every hour you have an alert that tells you to move if you don't want to get that inactivity stamp. If you want to disable it or re-enable it, press the lower left button to reach the menu, then press the upper right button to reach the bottom of the page and select Settings. From here, go inside General Settings and go down to that inactivity alert. And as you can see, it's now on. So if I press here, go up and select off, it's now disabled. You can finally come back to the main page by pressing the back button multiple times. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.